Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group Pak Ishak Alfarezi and I'm as a leader. My name is Pak Ishak Alfarezi.
My name is Diolina Atika.
My name is Restuardila.
My name is Noibe Ehia.
My name is Mary Christine.
My name is Masya Merantika.
Already, guys? Okay, starting by silent, please.
Intelligibility scores were calculated two ways. The first method is the traditional binary word scoring method. To calculate these scores, participants' responses were first spell checked and obvious typos. Misspelling and homophones were corrected. The transcripts were automatically scored as correct or incorrect using a Python script for each word in the sentence. A strict scoring criterion was applied except that the following substitutions were allowed following hint scoring procedures: A, N, or D, has or had, have or had, is or was, and are or were. Scores were, scores were then calculated for percent words correct (PWC) per sentence. The second scoring method employed was fuzzy string matching, specifically the token sort ratio (TSA) from Basker 2021. Using the online implementation, the scores range from 0 to 100. Sentences that match the target exactly a given score of 100, and those without any matching characters given a 0. The scores tend to be higher than present word correct scores, with a strict scoring criterion because responses are given credit for partial matches.
Listeners, we paid for their participation at $10 to $12 per hour. Most participants we paid $10 per hour. The hourly payment was increased in June 2022 to align with recommended compensation per week. Participants who failed the headphone screening, we paid for the time they put into the study. All experimental procedures took approximately 25 minutes and were approved by the institutional review board at Indiana University.
An additional 25 participants were tested, but their data were not usable due to bilingual language status, and 4, indicating that they did not turn off all devices that make sound, and 2, frequent exposure to one of the test actions in their assigned condition, and 7, hearing or language disorder, and 2, low effort responsive, e.g. leaving multiple trials blank in the Midland condition, and 9. Or reporting the background noise in their environment as a 10 and 1. An additional 55 participants did not pass the headphone screening. See detail below. Woods et al. 2017.
Part of the challenge to incorporating pronunciation distance metrics into intelligibility studies is that there is no consensus in the field about how distance from the local variety should be measured. Researchers have taken a range of different approaches to determining what specific acoustic phonetic characteristics are leading toward recognition decrements across the cause and accents. Central approaches to this problem can be classified into three broad categories, which we describe in more detail below: the transposing approach, the computational acoustic approach, and the phonetic distance approach.
The edit distance metrics were initially compared using two schemes for calculating the reference to identify which method would be a better fit for the perceptual data. The first edit distance scheme incorporated the Levis edit distance value for its weight from each of the four reference midland to catch thus a single reference to keywords selected. Depending on the specific stimulus on variety, the second scheme employed an average of the edit distance values obtained from the four reference midland to gauge for each weight. Ultimately, the edit distance matrix performed better. During analysis when using the Levis of four distances approach, which is implemented here, rather than the average of four distances, while the Levis of four approach clearly perform better with the current data set. Further, if full use of this approach It could be informative, especially for and search or automatic speech recognition and natural language processing.
Future studies should continue to compare different types of pronunciation distance measurement to determine whether other varieties of edit distance measurement can better predict intelligibility variation among talkers and accents than the edit distance measures employed here. A range of variables could be independently evaluated in terms of their predictive value for intent. One limitation of our studies was that overweighted variant normalized for word length, but our heuristic one did not. Future studies should test these parameters independently. There are also multiple ways to calculate weightings, which could be tested in relation to intelligibility across listening environments, exploring the interactions among weightings with length normalization, as well as other varieties such as multiple sequence alignment procedures list 2012 in relation to intelligibility specifically may be beneficial. Thus, this study is not an exhaustive investigation of all edit distant varieties and their relation to intelligibility scores. It represents an initial step at examining the predicative value of two edit distance measures for intelligibility using web-based tools, both within LEDA used here for the weighted varieties and other available software packages, e.g. in Paylist and Foca 2024. There are many other distant varieties that could be tested.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.